Guys, so one thing I can say, sorry. I have been really ill for 2 days. I've been at my dad's. I've just got back from his, and I'm gonna do a pack opening for you for the Christmas countdown 15. Sorry about that, but here we go. Christmas countdown 15. Today we're gonna be opening some packs, of course. So today we won't be opening the chocolate, but let's go straight to the packs. Here we go, guys. So let's open a few 7.5k packs. I'm going to see if there's any things in the next hour, so let's go. Don't think this is a walkout. No, it's a non-rare. Really? Who's that? That's a Bula. Sorry, I need to get my camera better. There we are. So we also got Karasov. So if you're just gonna send these to the transfer list, because I just want to. So let's quick sell the rest. Don't think I need it. So let's go to the next pack. Nope, no. Oh, got a little flare. It's a rare at least. Really? I've got Jack Butler like 52 times. So best player yet after our 2 packs. So let's tag these, put them on the transfer list. Let's click on the rest. So let's open. Was that a delay? Nope, it wasn't. So we've got Kudibali, not bad. An 82 rated, so not too shabby. Oh, that's actually a nice pack. We got Kudibali, Hulahan, Cameroon, sorry, and Fur, all good players. So I think they might sell a little bit, so I'll put them on the transfer list. So there we are. Quick sell the rest. So let's open one more. Now we're going to see if there's any. I'm going to see after in the next hour if there's any packs out. So we got Campbell there, if you can see that. We got Blasikoski and Younes. I think they could do some stuff on the transfer list. And put some on the rest. So guys, I'm going to skip to the next hour. So after those 7.5, I'm just going to review my transfer list. So at this moment, we already have a current bid for Butland at 2.2 and Boule nothing. A load of people don't have anything. Yeah, but we've got 2 pages, so that's nice. I listed Kudibali for 1.6, so I think he's quite good. Butland for 700 for some reason. Yeah, that's all. So I'm going to try and now skip to the next hour. Okay guys, so there's actually no packs out, so let's just carry on opening premium. Nope, that isn't a walkout. It's Varas! It sounds like arse, but something else. We got these which could sell for something at least. So, do that. Sell. A quick sell. Alright, please say get to be good in these final packs. Oh wow, it's a rare. It's Sane. I think he sells for just 2k or something. I'm gonna send these to the transfer list and then just put some of the rest. But for the final pack, I'm gonna do a nose leave the room pack. So, right. What am I doing? Cancel. Vieiro. That is useless. Well, I'll put them on the list, I guess. So guys, that is about the end of this video. If you enjoyed, then drop a like, subscribe for more content. And that's all for now, guys. See you guys later. Stick out.